In this video lecture, I will discuss a data interpretation question which is taken from 3rd September 2024 UGC NET examination from Shift 2. So watch this video till the end so that you learn how to solve these type of questions with respect to data interpretation, and I will also inform you from where you can get free online PDF solutions with detailed explanations with respect to August 2024 PYQs, December 2023 PYQs, June 2023 PYQs. All these online PDFs are available for paper 1 along with this book. So watch this video till the end. Data interpretation question is in front of you, please don't panic that you won't be able to solve it. It is a mere question based upon the calculation of percentages. It is not at all difficult. So listen it, watch it carefully, and at the end decide upon whether you want to go ahead with data interpretation solutions or not. Okay. So this is a table which shows the percentage increase in income and expenditure of various types of banks. Whatever is written in the question, I'm just reading that. I'm not presuming anything on my own. Okay, you can see over here 4 types of banks. Names have been written: PSU, old private banks, new private banks, foreign banks. Then I have to observe the table very carefully. That should be your smartness too. Percentage increase in income over previous year. Over previous year is written, so you have to read it very carefully. 2021 2022 figures are given, 2022 2023 figures are given over here. So this is income over previous year and it is given in percentage increase form. Similarly, expenditure over previous year is given with respect to these years. Here percentages are given, and below the table immediately it's written very clearly, meaning of any figure percentage is as follows. Okay, try to understand the meaning. That percentage in 2021-2022 means income or expenditure in 2021-2022 is X percentage more than that in 2020-2021. ठीक है, so what it means कि यहाँ पे इस कॉलम में ये जो percentages लिखे हुए हैं herein and in this column, these percentages indicate that 15% more than that in 2020-2021. Similarly, 13% more than that in 2020-2021. ठीक है, similarly ये जो यहाँ पे point 2 है, it also means that 2022-2023 में ये जो percentages given है, they are more than that what value figure is here with respect to income. Similarly, यहाँ पे जो percentages given है, they are more than that what is in 2021-2022. So this was all about the table, its understanding. So once we have gone through the table, we have observed the table carefully, we will be able to attempt the questions one after the other. Just stay confident, you will be able to do it. Okay, so I will discuss question number 1 hereafter. This is question number 1 and let's read it very carefully. Consider the income of PSU banks in 2020-2021. ठीक है, वो खुद कह रहे हैं कि you have to assume this thing that income जो है of PSU banks in 2021-2021 as 10 lakh crore. If the expenditure of PSU banks in 2022-2023 is equal to the income of PSU banks in 2020-2021, यहाँ तक इसको read out करके I have presented it as below. 2020-21 income expenditure written over here, clear. Then I have written over here year 2021-2022 income expenditure. Then 2022-2023 income expenditure is written. Now from the question itself I'm not doing anything on my own. Income of PSU banks in this year is 10 lakh crore. So you can see in this year income of PSU banks, I'm writing it over here 10 lakh crore. And it is saying कि ये जो income है it is equal to expenditure. यहाँ पे आ जाओ, expenditure year को अच्छे से देखना है, 2022-2023 expenditure. So I've written it in black. 10 lakh crore here, 10 lakh crore over here. It's given in the question that this is equal to the income of PSU banks in this year. Clear? Till here it is very clear. Then the income of the PSU banks, यहाँ पे ये question पूछा है. क्वेश्चन में जो लिखा है आई एम फोकसिंग अपॉन दैट इनकम ऑफ PSU बैंक्स इन 2022-2023 इट विल बी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली क्या परसेंटेज होगा इनकम ऑफ 2022-2023 इनकम क्या अप्रॉक्सीमेटली परसेंटेज होगा मोर देन द यहाँ पे आ जाओ, एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ PSU बैंक्स इन 2021-2022 एक्सपेंडिचर, तो यहाँ पे आई अगेन रिपीट, क्वेश्चन की क्लैरिटी क्या है कि ये जो परसेंटेज है इनकम ऑफ दिस ईयर, हाउ मच इट इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली मोर देन एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ PSU banks in this year. Till here it is clear. Now, based upon the percentage figures given in the table, you have to look on to the question again and again. I'm not able to present over here those percentages on this slide. So what I have done for you is you have to calculate like this. अब आपको ये पता है कि दिस इज इनकम 10 लाख करोड़, ठीक है। यहाँ पे जो परसेंटेज इंक्रीज दिया हुआ था उस टेबल में, दैट इज 15% गिवन। सो कैसे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, 10 लाख के ऊपर प्लस 15% ऑफ दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 11,50,000। You should be aware of this, ठीक है। तो ये 15% income, it was given in the table. I have taken it from there. By doing this, I have calculated this value. Similarly, यहाँ पे 17% increase in income, this is also given, ठीक है। Now, 17% जो income यहाँ पे दी हुई है, ये किसके ऊपर calculate करनी है, on this value. When you calculate 17% of 11,50,000 plus you will add up 11,50,000, what you will get, 13,45,500. This is the value that you will get. In case of any confusion, you can WhatsApp me on this number, ठीक है। I repeat, 15% मैंने इसका add up किया, I got this value. Next year 17% इस value के ऊपर add up किया, I have got this value. So ये था with respect to the income thing. Clear? Now, अब यहाँ पे हमें ये पता चल गया कि इनकम जो है उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, इतनी है। बट अब हमें ये फिगर भी कहीं ना कहीं फाइंड आउट करनी है। सो हाउ वी विल मूव अहेड, नाउ लेट्स वर्क अपॉन दिस। अब हमें यहाँ पे 10 लाख करोड़ यहाँ पे एक्सपेंडिचर गिवन था, क्लियर। एंड यहाँ पे हमें जो परसेंटेज गिवन थी, that you have to remember, that is given in the question 22%. अब हमें मूव बैक करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे फिगर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए what we will have to do, 10 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 1.22, क्योंकि हमें 22% गिवन है, तो ये मैंने यहाँ पे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली लिया है 8,20,000, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे एक्सपेंडिचर की वैल्यू पता चल गई, क्योंकि 22% इंक्रीज था, तो मैंने उसको वापस उस वैल्यू पे आने के लिए आई हैव डिवाइडेड इट, तो 8,20,000 आ गया। दिस इज क्लियर ओवर हियर, ठीक है। नाउ फर्दर व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू इज, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे परसेंटेज चाहिए डिफरेंस बेसिकली, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आई विल डू, दिस इज द इनकम with respect to 2022-2023. From here I will subtract this expenditure 8,20,000. This comes out to be 5,25,500. Till here it is clear. You can watch it again, try to understand. In case of any confusion, just WhatsApp me on this number 9750000491 if you are not able to understand it, ठीक है। Now remember this value, how we have reached this calculation. I will discuss it further. Now basically you have to understand that what is being asked in the question. In the question it is asked that calculate the percentage increase in income with respect to this year over expenditure with respect to this year. So percentage increase will be income 2022-2023. Remember, we have done this. We have already calculated this income with respect to 2022-2023 and we have also calculated expenditure. यहाँ पे हमने approximately ली थी ये figure divided by approximately 8,20,000 into 100. ये अभी हमने find out किया था the difference between, इसे न्यूमरेटर में रखेंगे, इसे डिनोमिनेटर में, into 100, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ये हमारी वैल्यू जो आ गई 64%. So 64% is the answer to this question. Okay. Now this is another question. Now the level of questions when we move ahead, they are comparatively easier. Okay, so don't lose that patience. Watch it till the end. Okay. If the expenditure of foreign banks in 2020-2021 it is equal to their income in that year and is equal to 60,000 crore. So what is given in the question? I'm going to do that only. 2020-2021 I have written over here. 2021, 2022, 2022, 2023 लिख लिया. Income, expenditure, income, expenditure, income, expenditure. So till here what is written in the question, given in the question is कि income जो है expenditure के equal है and it is 60,000 crore with respect to this year. Then in 2022-2023, what is the difference in income and expenditure of foreign banks? ये है क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? डिफरेंस बिटवीन इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर इन दिस ईयर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फॉरेन बैंक्स. क्लियर? बहुत ज्यादा इजी है ये वाला क्वेश्चन. अब हमें पता है, अब फ्रॉम दैट टेबल आई हैव पिक दिस वैल्यू. 9% इज गिवन इन दैट टेबल. सो 60,000 के ऊपर अगर हम 9% करेंगे तो यहां पे हमें इनकम क्या आ गई? 65,400. दिस इज क्लियर. अब फर्दर हमें 12% गिवन थी यहां पे टेबल में वैल्यू. 12% with respect to this year, increase of 12%. So how will I calculate this value? This value I've written over here plus this value, इसका 12% करेंगे, it comes out to be 73,248. I've written it over here. So this is income of this year. Similarly, 4% is given in that table. Expenditure of this year 4% increase दिया हुआ है. तो ये 4% increase के according 60,000 के ऊपर मैं जब 4% कैलकुलेट करूंगी, it comes out to be this value. अब 11% भी दिया हुआ उस टेबल में. अब 11% इस वैल्यू के ऊपर कैलकुलेशन ऐसे होगी, then it comes out to be 69,264. What is the question? Difference between income and expenditure. So I'm subtracting over here. The value is 3984 crore. So you can see over here, option number 1, 3984 crore. In case of any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me on this number. Okay. This one again is a easier question, right? Let's read the question carefully and what is written in the question. I'm going to do that only. I'm not going anything different. It's mere percentage calculations DI. Consider the income of new private banks in 2021-2022 as 8,000 crore. So I'm written over here 2021-2022 8,000 crore income of new private banks. If the expenditure of in the same year is same. So question में ही given है कि income expenditure equal है. It is same as their income. So I can write 8,000 here. I can write 8,000 here. Then what they're asking, then the difference in income of new private banks in 2021-2022 and this year will be approximately, they are themselves saying कि ये जो difference होगा income में इस year and इस year की income में जो difference होगा, ठीक है, this is they are asking, will be approximately क्या percentage होगा of the difference in expenditure of new private banks in these 2 years. So I repeat the question. Question में क्या पूछा है? Difference of the income of these 2 years. What it will be approximately percentage of the difference in expenditure, ये जो expenditures हैं of the 2 years, इन दोनों का जो difference होगा, ठीक है. So बहुत easy है. यहाँ पे हमें 8,000 given था. So based upon the figures given in the table, 37% table में given थी. 37% जब इसका calculate करेंगे, it comes out to be 10,960. Similarly 44% करेंगे इस value का, it comes out to be this. तो ये values easily आ गई. अब difference के ऊपर focus करना, इन दोनों values का difference यहाँ पे calculate किया. Difference in income 10,960 minus 8,000, it comes out to be 2,960. Difference in expenditure of the 2 years, यहाँ पे 11,520 minus, sorry this is a mistake, यहाँ पे आना था minus 8,000, ठीक है, minus 8,000, it will come as 3,520. clear? Now ये हो गया difference between, but अब हमने approximately percentage निकालनी है. तो percentage कैसे निकलेगी? Numerator में 2,960 divided by 3,520 into 100, 84%. So answer to this question is answer number third, 84. इस type से. Now this next question is again very easy. In 2021-2022, if the income of PSU banks is twice the expenditure of foreign banks, then in 2022-2023, that means let us suppose expenditure of PSU banks in 2022-2023 as X. अगर हम ये assume करते हैं कि 2022-2023 में जो expenditure है PSU banks का that is X, then we can write over here 2X. because this is given in the question in 2022 income of PSU banks is twice the expenditure of foreign banks. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने ध्यान देना, ये फॉरेन बैंक्स का मैंने यहाँ पे x लिया है, ये हम सिली मिस्टेक कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये जो है मैंने क्या लिया है, एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ फॉरेन बैंक्स is taken as x. Clear? Now what will be the ratio of income of PSU banks to the expenditure of foreign banks? ठीक है, so we have to focus upon here very clearly. अब क्वेश्चन में ये परसेंटेजेस गिवन थी 17%, 11%. क्लियर? सो 17% को हमें कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, 2x के ऊपर जब हम 17% करेंगे इट कम्स आउट टू बी 2.34x. क्लियर? सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज इनकम ऑफ PSU बैंक्स, बिकॉज हम इनकम ऑफ PSU बैंक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, हमने उनका रेशियो कैलकुलेट करना है. सिमिलरली एक्सपेंडिचर हम फॉरेन बैंक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वहां पे टेबल में से ये वैल्यू हमने पिक किया 11%. क्लियर? सो ये जो 11% है इट कम्स आउट टू बी 1.11x. तो ये हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है 2.34x डिवाइडेड बाय 1.11x. इसे हम जब सॉल्व करेंगे दिस रेशियो कम्स आउट टू बी 78/37. आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज 2. The last question with respect to data interpretation, that is question number 5 in 2021-2022. If the income of foreign banks is 4 times its expenditure, then what will be the approximate ratio of income to the expenditure of foreign banks in 2022-2023? So expenditure of foreign banks, if we suppose assume it as x, then expenditure अगर हम x ले रहे हैं तो income of foreign banks क्या होगा, 4x. Clear? Then ratio पूछा है approximately in 2022-2023. तो परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इन इनकम हमें गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, इनकम इंक्रीजेस बाय 12%. तो 12% जो है हम 4x, डेफिनेटली 4x का हम जब 12% इंक्रीज करेंगे तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 4.48x. सिमिलरली एक्सपेंडिचर जो है इंक्रीजेस बाय 11%. दिस 11% इज गिवन इन द टेबल. 2022-2023 का हमने डाटा देखना है, तो x यहाँ से लिया क्योंकि हमने एज्यूम किया है एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ फॉरेन बैंक्स एज x इंटू 11%. जब इंक्रीज शो करेंगे इट कम्स आउट टू बी 1.11x. सो रेशियो जो हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है, रेशियो विच इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज इक्वल टू इनकम डिवाइडेड बाय एक्सपेंडिचर 4.48x अपॉन 1.11x. ठीक है, when you will solve this 448 divided by 111, it comes out to be 4.03, and you can write it as approximately 4:1. So answer to this question is answer number 2. If you have any problem in this data interpretation, you can always WhatsApp me on this number. Sometimes video में बहुत अच्छे से explain करना, maybe it becomes difficult for you to understand, so you can ask me again that question. But basically ये जो data interpretation था, it was based upon percentage calculation only. ठीक है? Some tips for you to do data interpretation questions are, टेबल बना लो. ठीक है, टेबल बना के यू कम टू नो कि विच आर द फिगर्स और वैल्यूज विच आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. राइट डाउन दोस एंड विच आर मिसिंग, बिकॉज वो जो मिसिंग है वही आपने कहीं ना कहीं कैलकुलेट करनी है. ठीक है, सो फॉर होमवर्क, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू होमवर्क फॉर डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, दिस इज योर स्मार्टनेस. अगर आप अच्छा स्कोर करना चाहते हो डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन में तो आपको बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ data interpretation questions fully solved with detailed explanations in this book. Go check out this book from Amazon or Flipkart. The link of Amazon I have provided in the description box of this video. In this book I have solved 2023 data interpretation questions with detailed explanations, and एक chapter 7 भी यहाँ पे attach किया, वहाँ पे भी 2014 से लेकर 2022 तक आपको सारे जो डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन के क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपको डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस के साथ मिलेंगे. इन केस ऑफ एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेरी, यू कैन ऑलवेज व्हाट्सएप मी ओवर हियर. एंड टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, दिस इज योर स्मार्टनेस. इट्स वेरी क्लियर. आपको जून 2023 के जो DIs हैं उनको डेफिनेटली प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. दिसंबर 2023 के PYQs को प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. जून 2024 के PYQs हैं, अगस्त सितंबर 2024 के PYQs हैं. यू मस्ट प्रैक्टिस देम. First of all, you must practice them, understand them, whether you are able to solve them or not. After that, you have to time manage also. You have to manage time. It is not that you can spend 30 minutes on doing data interpretation. No, you cannot do that. Max to max, you should spend 12 to 15 minutes. Rather, 12 minutes are sufficient enough to spend on solving data interpretation, because rest of the 48 minutes you have to spend on solving other units of paper 1. So basically within 1 hour you should complete your paper 1, or approximately 1 hour plus 10 minutes, because thereafter you have to move on to your paper 2 solution, which is very important for you. It comprises of 100 questions and it is your subject. You have to devote more time and energy on solving and correcting paper 2 questions on your final day. If you want to order this book from Amazon or Flipkart, you can go on to the link provided in the description box of this video and you can buy this book from Amazon. This book is divided into unit-wise, topic-wise, previous year solved papers with detailed explanations. You will also get online free PDF notes also, plus free PDFs online available with respect to August, September 2024 PYQs, December 2023 PYQs, June 2023 PYQs. Just WhatsApp me on this number, that is 97500000491. All those who have bought this book, you can WhatsApp me on this number. I will add you to my separate group of paper 1 preparation, where you can prepare paper 1 free of cost. You need not to join any course, nothing. You can just practice, prepare, revise your content from this book, plus all the PYQs, latest PYQs which are provided to you along with this book. So all the best for your preparation, all the best for your examination. Thank you for watching this video.